Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this LE all-wheel drive is its heated front seats. You also have your power sliding rear doors along with your lane departure alert. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you'll see your 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now you also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Up top, you'll see your roof rack. And I'm just going to quickly show you just what your second row is going to look like. So as you can see, you have the captain's seats in the second row, and then in the third and second row windows you're going to see the sunshade visors, just to make things a little bit easier on you if you just want to have a quick nap on one of those long trips you're having with the family. And then you have the close button just on the inside of the pillar here. Now parents, if you're worried about yourself or your kids getting their arm or hand jammed into the door, it has the jam protection feature, so in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, then it'll open itself back up automatically. Now, if you want to close it from the outside, all you have to do is just pull on the handle once and it will close for you automatically. And the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. Now, to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. You have your gray cloth interior seat surfaces with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Over on your left-hand side, you have your traction control on and off, as well as some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you'll see your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display with your lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we scroll through it, as you can see, you have a digital speedometer with the distance to empty. You can also go through your all-wheel drive monitor, and you can also take a look at your audio, lane departure alert, messages, and then finally in your settings menu you'll have your ECT power, pre-collision system, lane departure alert, as well as a couple of other additional features. Now at the very top of the screen you'll see an exterior temperature gauge, and taking a look now at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if you go inside the menu screen, you have your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now with that apps menu, this is all part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. You have the Sirius XM satellite radio on here, dual zone climate control settings along with your rear temperature controls, which are located just down below here. Matted to an automatic transmission, hazard lights, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with your USB and auxiliary input, as well as your two power outlets. Now, taking a look at the top here, you'll see your auto-dimming rearview mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. You'll find the open and close for the power sliding rear doors just up top here with the SOS Safety Connect. So with the SOS Safety Connect, in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure you're okay. You have the sunglass case holder in here as well, and an additional mirror just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. Now I'm just going to quickly show you what your backup camera looks like. So as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you try to back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located just on the back of the tailgate, you'll see your backup camera just on your left hand side, and your rear hatch release located underneath your Sienna emblem. Now I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. You have some additional storage space over on the left hand side. As for the seats for your third row, it has a 60-40 split, and in the event that you do need the additional cargo space, all you have to do is just push on the button on the back of the headrest here to fold it down, pull on this middle piece here, it'll fold down into the floor for you, and then just pull up on the flap just to make sure it remains nice and flat. That way the cargo doesn't slip through and fall to the bottom. So you have some additional passengers as well as some additional cargo space just down below here. And then if you want to fold the seats back up, if you forget how they actually fold up, The instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. So all you want to do is just pull up on the flap first. Pull on this piece. You want to make sure it locks itself into place first and then tilt it back to the desired position. The reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt it back a little bit farther so you're a little bit more comfortable on the drive. The power outlet will be located just over on your right hand side. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com, date us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.